guys, today I'm going to be decorating my porch for fall. It's been raining for the past 2 weeks here in Texas, so I haven't been able to get out here and do much decorating. Looks like it's cleared up a little bit, so I figured I better get out here and do it. This is the stuff that I'm going to be using to decorate the porch for fall today. I'm going to be using some of the old planters that I've had for years, as well as those sticks over here. I've had those for a long time. I believe I got them at Hobby Lobby probably like, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago. And we picked up some pumpkins from HEB today, so we'll be using those, as well as the mums. Some of the mums I've had for a couple weeks, but since it's been raining out here, I haven't done any decorating with them. I had a planter fall on these ones, and they're kind of busted up a little bit, but I'm still going to be using them. I got the Hello Fall sign last week at Joann's when they were having the 60% off sale. And we went to Walmart earlier today and I found these outdoor buffalo check pillows and they're only $5. So if you guys are looking for those, definitely go check out Walmart. And let's see what else. We're going to be using the Hello Fall sign that I got from the Target dollar spot and the Harvest Bird little planter stick. I got that at Hobby Lobby, I believe. I'll be using the wreath that I made. If you guys want to see how I made this wreath, you can check out my latest video and that'll be linked below. Alright, let's get started. Here I'm taking the 2 purple mums and placing them into the smaller planter so that it looks nice and full. I thought that it would be cute to have the sticks coming out of the planter, so here I'm just sticking them into some dirt that was already in the bottom. Here I'm filling the planter with mums, and I'm using 2 different colors so that it adds a little bit more dimension. I'm sweeping away all of the dead bugs and dirt, and I'm wiping off some of the house to get rid of some spider webs. We have a lot of spiders here in Texas. I usually hang baskets from this stand, but thought it would be different to hang the sign that I got from Target. Now I'm just wiping down the chairs. Like I said before, we have a lot of spiders here in Texas, so there's always spider webs on the chairs. And of course, I had to wipe down the other chair too. We live on a pond and have a lot of dirt that gets blown up on our porch, so I have to sweep outside a lot. I needed to add some color here, so I'm adding the last 3 pumpkins in front of the planter and in between the 2 chairs. I love these buffalo check pillows. I know that they're really popular right now, and I'll definitely be using them with my Christmas decor. I took down the wreath that I still had up from summer, and I'm just wiping down the window with some Windex, and then I'm going to be placing the wreath that I made on the door. This wreath was really easy to make, so don't forget to check out my last video to see how I made it. I really like how everything came together. It's not too over the top, just real simple. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching.